In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to recreate an invoice that's very similar to one you've already sent, duplicating it can save you a lot of time. Instead of building a new invoice from scratch, QuickBooks Online lets you copy an existing one and then make any small changes you need before saving it. To get started, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on Sales. This is where you'll find your customer sales activity, including estimates, invoices, and other related records. Once you're in the sales section, go to Invoices. This will open your invoice list where you can view all the invoices that have already been created. Take a moment here to find the specific invoice you want to duplicate. It helps to double-check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several invoices that look similar. When you've found the invoice you want to copy, click the drop-down icon next to that invoice. This opens a small menu with additional actions you can take. From that menu, select Duplicate. As soon as you click Duplicate, QuickBooks Online will take you directly to the invoice form. What you're seeing now is a copied version of the original invoice, which means most of the information has already been carried over for you. This is the part that makes the process so useful because it reduces manual data entry and helps keep your invoicing consistent. Now you can review the duplicated invoice and edit any details that need to be changed. For example, you might want to adjust the date, update the products or services, change quantities, or revise any notes or terms. Since this is a duplicate, it's always a good idea to quickly scan the full form before saving, just to make sure everything is accurate for the new invoice. After you've made your changes, click Save, and that's it. Your duplicated invoice is now created and ready to use. This is a simple but very effective feature if you regularly send similar invoices and want to speed up your workflow in QuickBooks Online. That's all for this video.